How to apply for the BECU credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, today we'll be discussing about applying for the BECU credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to type in becu.org in your search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across the official website of BECU. From here, click on Everyday Banking and click on Credit Card and Debit Card. If you go to the credit card section, you will find various credit card options, that is low rate credit card, cashback credit card, secured credit card, affinity partner credit cards. So you can also see the features of the individual credit cards. So the low rate credit card is one of the nation's lowest everyday interest and it has no annual fee, and a cashback credit card has unlimited 1.5% cashback, where the secured credit card has no monthly or annual fees and it can help you establish or re-establish a good credit history. An affinity partner credit card, show your pride. So let's click on the cashback credit card. Here you can apply for this credit card by simply joining the BECU and apply for it, or simply go to the members login and apply. If you click on join BECU and apply, you have to become a member and then open an account, enroll in the online banking of BECU, and then apply for your credit card. So here, before applying for the BECU membership, you have to choose among what type of account you wish to open. It's either savings and checking plus credit card or savings plus credit card. And after you do that, click on Start Membership Application. And you have to enter the correct form with your contact information. In the first designated field, you have to enter your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Also select the suffix and enter your current address, followed by your phone number, and also select your phone type, either cell, home, or work. And also check this box if you have read and agreed to the consent to be contracted. And also check this box confirming that you're opening this account for yourself and not for someone else who instructed you to do so for the purpose of completing a transaction. Now click on Continue option, and you will be taken to another page for the further process. But if you are already a member of BECU, you can simply click on this members login and apply, and simply go ahead and click on your user ID, then followed by the correct form with your password, and click on login button that is highlighted in red color in order to successfully log into BECU. In the case if you have forgotten your password, you can go and click on this link over here in order to retrieve or reset your password. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you can also go to this link and retrieve your user ID as well. So talking about applying for the BECU credit card, if you're new to BECU, you can also apply for the BECU credit card in person at any of your neighborhood financial centers. In order to submit an online application, you will first need to apply for the BECU Credit Union membership and enroll in the online banking. And once you have got your online banking set up, you can apply after you log in. So if you're already a current member of BECU, as I already mentioned before, you can simply log into the online banking and select apply for the credit cards, and once logged in, select the apply for credit cards and loan from the options. And if you're looking for a business credit card, you can also see the business credit card page for more information. So this was all about it. This is how you can apply for a BECU credit card. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.